Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and choosing sample rate and tempo so your session behaves predictably. Once done, add a software instrument or audio track and arm it for recording. This gets you ready to capture ideas immediately. Make sure to select the correct input and output and adjust the audio buffer size, lower for recording, higher for mixing. If latency is a problem, enable low latency mode and keep your I/O consistent throughout the session. Begin recording with cycle mode for comping multiple passes. Use punch recording to fix sections without stopping. For MIDI, open the piano roll and edit velocity, length and timing and quantize only when musically appropriate. For audio, apply flex time to correct timing without artifacts. Next, group related tracks, assign colors, and place markers to define sections. This keeps editing efficient. As you work, save incremental versions so you can revert if an edit breaks the arrangement. Now balance levels with proper gain staging so plugins behave predictably. Route groups to buses and U-sends for reverb and delay. Apply subtractive EQ first, then gentle compression to control dynamics, and automate volume and effect parameters to create movement. When satisfied, bounce stems or the full mix. Choose offline bounce for speed, real time if external gear is involved. If something goes wrong, check your I/O settings and plug in latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.